Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepthi from Dips Karol Bagh, and in today's lecture, we are going to do the back exercise and important terms of Geography, Chapter 7, Industry and Introduction. So, let's start. First of all is important terms to know. First is manufacturing. The conversion of raw material into articles of utility is known as manufacturing. Next is smelting. The process by which metals are extracted from other ores by heating beyond the melting point. Third, industry, the economic activity which is concerned with the production of goods or the provisions of services. Fourth, industrial region, the areas where industries have a tendency to grow close to each other is known as industrial regions. Next is the say the answer. First is what is manufacturing, and answer is given on the page number 57. Important terms. First important term, the conversion of raw material into article of utility is known as manufacturing. Next is what is an industry. So answer is on page number 57 once again. Industry is the economic activity which is concerned with the production of goods or the provision of services is known as industry. Question number 4 is name. Question number 3 is name a marine-based industry. Answer is fish oil. As 4 is name a private sector industry in India. Answer is Reliance Industry. Fifth, what are the output of an industry? Answer is given on page number 56 in the paragraph of industrial system. The output are the end products and the profit earned after its sale. Profit earned after the finished goods sale in the market. Next, part B is the MCQ. Multiple choice questions are there. First is the public sector company is run by. Answer is government or its agencies. Second, where did industrialization begin first? Answer is in Europe. Third, which of the following places fall in the northern industrial regions of India? Answer is Kanpur. Fourth, making of furniture is a. Answer is forest based industry. Fifth, sugar mills of Maharashtra belong to the. Answer is cooperative sector. Sixth, which of the following is the wealthiest nation? Answer is USA. Part C is fill in the blanks. When we talk to tourism industry, we refer to certain dash activities. Answer is economic activities. Number 2, banking industries provide dash to people. Answer is services. Third, a paper mill depend on dash for raw material. Answer is forest. Fourth, the cottage industry are mostly located in dash. Answer is rural area. Dash is an important factor behind industrialization in a country. Answer is availability of raw materials. D part is give at least 2 examples of each of the following. Number 1 is agro-based industry. Examples are sugar industry and the cotton and textile industry. Second, a large-scale industry, iron and steel industry, and cotton and textile industry. Public sector industry, ordnance factory and iron and steel plant in Bhilai. Metal based industry, railway equipment and iron and steel industry. So these were the back exercise of this chapter. In next lecture we are going to do the part E and part F. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.